Guys, we're ready to set, and we got another guys that help us today because they are part of the my contractor service. So we're gonna start working these cars. They're already working another one over there by the sold unit. So we're gonna start set the glasses. Let's get the back here. This is the Altima. Remember, there's no molding here. And it's the action car, so we don't have to put any molding. I mean, extra bullet molding here. Careful, careful. Careful here, don't get too close to the defroster or you're going to damage. Just very careful here. There you go. So we're going to start first. Put in the suction cups. This thing is not good. That's not my stand, this one is mine. Okay. Another suction caps here. Got the strength ones here. Alright. Now, the back glasses don't need to be uncontaminated too much. We're gonna do this. We're gonna have one of these. This is for the metal, but it's a little sponge. It's very gentle with the glass. And get the 800. Just like this. Put it right there. And just we're gonna clean. You see they contaminate now, the fingers. But let me finish this and you're gonna see anything here now. Now this rack is really bad. I don't know why these guys work like this. Okay. So let me fix that. It's gonna be much better. And I show you it's no more contamination. You see the fingerprints disappear, so it's already clean. Remember, the back glass is not part of the structure of the glass, it's just for stop the water and the wind in the car. So that one is not make any safe on the car. Actually, it's unsafe because they're gonna broke and get all the glasses on your eyes. So that is very important. Just don't install on the wrong way. I'm gonna move them over here. Okay, we're gonna do the same way. You see the contamination. Okay. And you see, it's gone. So that's why you have to just do that to clean the glass before you put the glue. See, now it's no contamination. just gonna put two bees on the same time. There you go. The weather is changed, probably it's gonna rain later. So that's why we have to go fast. So I'm gonna wait 6 minutes, but I'm gonna prime all the cars and come back. Okay, right there. You're going to see the mark right there. Right. Okay, guys. I'm using another one. So I'm just gonna cut my video here because I have to prime all the bodies. Scratches, it's clean. There's a little bit here, a little part of blue. This is nice. This one is good, 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 good. Right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna prime all the glasses, my cars, and I'll be right back just a sec. We got way more than 6 minutes already, so we're going to put the bees. First the Altima. I'm sorry. Yeah, the Altima. Remember, we gotta go close. You don't want of these people see the urethane outside. The factory comes with the lock stops. This one doesn't have any. You gotta just go on this way. So we're going to try to use 1.5 for all of them. Okay, close right there. Close the bridge. And remember, this one we have to put a little block here because it's little. We need to open that. So I'm just going to put my block right here. Okay. Just close it. Okay. Remember, you're going to have to get this one and this way. Okay. Just close your hand and just turn it like this. And you're going to just reach the middle first, close to the trunk, not the body. As you get inside, just find the top. The wind is pushing out a little bit. There you go. Right. You see? You don't have to see anything here. Just push it in a little bit. Right there. And this is not heavy, so you don't have to put any tape. And the gloves, same space. Oh, I thought it was gonna rain. It's the guys washing the cars. This scared me a little bit. You see, it's not look exposed, nothing is clean. Perfect. Okay, let's go to the next one. Alright. Put mice over here. Okay. The next one. Ooh, the weather's changed, guys. Where's the button? Right there. And now I'm going to put another one here. see the difference when I put the glue on this one and you have the regular. It's the same thing, but I like my the other one. Yeah, I think we're gonna finish at 4. There. Okay. And remember, you're gonna do the same thing. You gotta hold it from here. And just like this. Sorry, the wind is blowing now. Make this just more difficult. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing. Remember, I think it's this mine. This is for my suction cup. You see, I didn't see it. I gotta fix it. You gotta go at the bottom first, close to the trunk. No, it's already glue.
Huh? Oh, that's right. You have the glue on the car.
Oh, yeah.
You forget, and I go, oh, you forgot the glue. Hey, I want to see if I can help you get rid of some of this stuff. You're going to have to do it later.
Okay.
Right here if you want them.
Sure, man.
And what was the other one? Todd said he's going to, he's had 2 here, but the one turned out to be a sunroof instead of a back glass. So he's only got 1, then he said he could help you set anything.
Okay. Now that one. It's gonna be just the back glass or the sunroof?
Huh?
Got a sunroof?
Yeah, do we, has Keith been doing sunroofs at all?
Well, I mean, it's just the bolts beside, inside. It's 4 bolts, but the thing is we gotta clean the channels, tracks. It's a lot of work.
That's what I told him. See, we also got a panoramic ramp grip over there also.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're gonna pay for that glass?
Well,
or they're gonna use the glass?
Well, we can't get a panoramic grip, right?
Prepared?
No, I mean,
oh. Or is they anti? No,
yeah.
That will be ordered.
Yeah.
And just wait. They got it in. It's a big box, man. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna make a cut on my video because I have to prepare 2 more glasses with the primer. We wait another 6 minutes for both of those glasses. So we're ready to see it. We're gonna start with this one. The B is the same size the other ones. So we're good here. Just let me clean this one. So we got the Cadillac and the Malibu. So we're gonna start on this one first. Go first. Yeah, I'll go with this one. A new one here, didn't open yet. Close it. And the bridge. Okay, remember we're gonna do the same thing. We need a block. Where's my block? Should be here. That one's a little heavy. There you go. Just careful with the carpet. Little carpet right there. It's gonna be on our way. Alright, so like this. Okay. There you go. like this. Careful with the wind, it's blowing a lot. Alright. So we go at the bottom first. Remember, it's not touched. Well, just touch right there. There you go. Now just careful with your molding. Just hold a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. There you go. Because aftermarket moldings, they are not really good. See, they want to come out. There's the chip double tape inside the molding, so it's not going to hold really good. This is the glue is going to hold it. Okay. You can see this one. That's what I don't like the aftermarket moldings, but you see the glue is going to just stick together. So just put it in place and you can close it. Now just pull them up and keep fit. Okay, so we got this one done. Now let's go to the next one. Alright, put the block right there. This one right there. You have to remember to be careful with this guy at this notch right there. Some left here, so we're going to start working here. I don't like this stand. Sorry, I think I didn't open it. So let me check. Yep, it's closed too. Closed. There's that one. There's my other onion bridge. Alright, on top. Let's close it. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay guys, my block thing is still there. Well, it's gonna go. There you go. It's going the same way, remember? This one is more tight. It's close to the wind is going to move you too much. Don't worry about it. Just careful, careful, careful. It's moving a lot. This wind is moving too much. Just careful with the light. There you go. Careful, careful, careful with the light. There you go. Okay. So now, just remember, careful with your light. Right there, just make it fit. Go back here. There you go. Just put it down a little bit. Too far from here, just go down a little bit and just close it. Okay, now let's go to the other two, the Equinox and the Chevy. right? You see, it's clean, no glue outside. That's the goal. Okay, so we go with this Acadia and the Equinox, and we almost done.
Hey, we see your blowers?
Mine, the big one, yeah, no, the other one. It's got electric. It's right, well, oh, it's right there. No, that one, the battery is dead. This one is electric. It's much better. Okay, now let me see my battery. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set the other two glasses and come back. Okay guys, so we wait 6 minutes for this too. So remember, I'm just priming, I'm getting the glass ready, and wait 6 minutes. So now we go for the other two, and we just left another two. Now the Sonata, I don't have the glass there, forget, just bring me that one, but it's ready. I'm just gonna finish with the Corvette, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna do on this kind of cars, it's better run the B on the on the pitch wheel. You can do it at the glass too, but I like more on the bodies. That kind of vertical cars is better because I have the marks on the grass. Gotta hold this harness. Don't want to have an accident here. Okay.
You definitely got a system going on here.
Ah, yeah. We're going RV. Close, not too much. It's gonna be done already.
I think Tom's been backing up the whole car.
Huh?
The Tom's been backing up the whole car.
Ha!
Hey, what's the bait? The only one I probably would vacuum would probably be the Corvette.
Yeah. Sure, I can just clean it up. Here. So we have two gears. Be careful with this one. You can just put it back in if you want. Okay. So we're on 1B. Let's run the other one here. Remember, my time is running on the other beat, so I have to go fast here. Because this bee is going to dry. Be careful here. Oh, it's going to touch it. Don't take the risk. Come on, boy, do it faster. Oh, come on. Okay, just let it go open. Okay, now you can close it. That thing only be closer when it's all open. So that's the only you do it. Close the little bridge. Close the little bridge. Oops, so we go. Close it. Alright. So we're ready to set. Remember, you gotta work fast when you run the beast 2 times at the same time because it's gonna just drive faster. So let's put this one here. So I'll go first with this one. Remember this one I already put the moldings on. Just remember it's going in the middle, right there, and set. Now remember we're going to close it here and close it here. Remember the aftermarket has details. Sometimes you can't see it, so it's not about what your job is to see it. This is very nice, but this one you see it, it's coming like this. So there's nothing you can do. There's aftermarket. Okay, let's go next. Because my bee is drying. Alright. You know, back glasses, they are more simple than the windshield, so that's why I can do this one fast. Windshields, man, there's a lot of work. Okay, now reach the middle point right there. So you stop, go in. Alright, push in. So close here. This one is total broken. There's nothing you can do. It's more, it's the molding is a little more in the middle. It's completed. You see all the heats of the molding. I have to fix that. Cause you see it. See, my glue is nice, but this one I have to fix it. I gotta take them off and let's go to the action. So what they want is just put some glue and that's it. They don't want to put another one, so I don't like this glue, but there's nothing we can do. It's total damage. Okay, straight. Okay, now let's go to the last one. It's gonna be the Corvette and we're finished. So I'll be right back when I put the primer and set. Okay guys, so I wait 6 minutes for the back glass on this Corvette. So we're gonna put the glue. And this glass already come with the molding, you know, but this part was damaged, so I have to just cut them off. I couldn't save it. So I have to, you know, and the package was bad, so we'll put the primer here. Oh, to show you where the irritants go. So we're ready. I'm tired. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna start for the middle. Right there. This one I gotta get careful to don't push too much or it's gonna shut up. Try to don't go push too much. It's almost done. So this is the last one. The other one is we don't have the back glass, so I have to come back tomorrow. But tomorrow we have a 17 Subarus and Subaru Plano, so it's gonna be a lot of work. And he careful. Okay. Now I'm gonna close that. bridge because it's too big. I don't want to squeeze inside. So we're gonna go more like flat, flat, and straight. Okay. Double line, I forget. So after I finish, I'm gonna cut the video here. I don't have more SD card, so I'm gonna just put all parts together and we finish, guys. So you saw already how to do the job. So you have the idea how to do 8 jobs in one day. Okay, right here. Right here. All right. So I'm gonna set this one up the same way. It's a little weird glass. Oh, shit. Alright. It's very light, so that's why the problem when the wind is blowing, it moves the glass very bad. Ah, come on, come on, come on. Okay. So I'm gonna set this one. Just careful with my block. There you go. Remember, do the same way. I'm gonna go reach the bottom first. Right there. And the top. There you go. You see it's just a little higher because I had to push it down. But before you push it down, make sure you got the wires exposed. Talking about the thrusters, the harness, because sometimes you don't see it, you can just leave those wires in the glue right there. So that's a good one. You see it's nothing exposed. I just have to push them down, put the moldings, all cars together, the parts, and done, guys. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow I'm gonna show you. You see it, this going down, 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 down. Remember, one part of this doesn't have molding, so careful. This one, so when you push in, there you go, nothing is gonna show up, but quarter. Pushing down, it's going to just close to that molding. It's got to fit. See that heat or the hailstorm, so really bad. Alright. Space good. Oh, this is straight. There you go. Okay, guys, so this was Luis from Video Car. So today we did 7 jobs. I couldn't make the 8 because they don't have the glass. So I just got to put all parts together, fix that mold.